Hello, welcome to GeoScreen, and please remember to subscribe if you haven't yet, a like and share to your friend, right? So today I want us to look on how to run Facebook campaign, or else how to run an advert on your Facebook page, right? So the first thing, you need to have a post on your Facebook page, or else you can create a new post on your Facebook page here, right? You create a post, or else you have an existing post that you had already created and the one that you are purposing to advertise, right? Like, let's take an example of the one here, walking through this journey from hunting and gathering to hunting and farming to white collar jobs to now internet stroke network marketing. There's a link to join, a sponsor code, activation amount, cash referred, and yes, how to earn from the network. This is all about the podcast shares business. So it's a post about the podcast shares, right? So there's a link, there's a text, there's a video, right? And the link, right? Through the link, we are able to access the podcast shares website. So these are complete posts, right? So to create an advert, you will have to click on boost the post. So you click on boost the post, right? You have the ad category, you leave it just as it is, right? So the next thing that you need to consider is the audience, right? The targeted audience, the people who are supposed to see or who are able to see your advert once it's running on Facebook. So it could be based on countries. Yes, you narrow down to a specified location based on countries, like the one for the Bonicashias, which is running in 3 countries, Kenya, Rwanda, and Uganda. I've selected the 3 countries, right? If you need to include another country, just edit the countries and maybe you add a country like India if the business runs in India. So you have India selected, right? So you save the audience. So in your list, you have India, Kenya, Rwanda, Uganda. If you're not interested in India, like in our case here, we don't need India because we are only concerned of Kenya, Rwanda, and Uganda. So we can delete the India in our list, right? So we have India deleted, right? We get to save. We only have Kenya, Uganda, and Rwanda, so we save. That is for the audience. Or else you can choose the audience by the people who like your page, people who like your page and their friends, or else people in your local area, or else you can create your own audience based on specified categories, right? The next thing, it's on the duration in which your advert will be running. The list is 5 days, right? The estimated people to be reached per day, 1.9 to 5.4k. Then the cost, it will cost you 1,000 bob Kenya shilling to run an advert for 5 days, right? So the other thing is you look at where to place your advert. It could be Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, right? We have these lists, right? So we have Facebook pixel, we leave it as it is, right? Then the other thing, the important thing is you add your payment method. This one is where you add your Visa card, your MasterCard, right? You enter the number and then you save once it is accepted. So on the right, we have a few of on how your advert will be displayed on Facebook. You can see it will be from GeoScreen, sponsored, right? Then the text, and then the video, and then the link here to sign up to the Bonicashias website, right? Because I'll be intending to get my traffic to Bonicashias website, right? So you can look here at the estimated daily results. We have 1.9 to 5 point, and the link clicks as 39 to 98. Yes, payment summary. You want to run for 5 days. Total budget 1,000 plus the tax we have for 160 Kenya shilling. So the total, it will cost you 1160 bob, right? So An example of a boosted post you can see here. We have the one for the Varcom PLC here. You see it's sponsored. So this one is an advertised post. It's a boosted post. We have the post like these ones here, which are not yet, like Ken Koros, interested on this just yesterday. This one has not been promoted, or it is not boosted, right? But the one we have here, you see, sponsored. So the same way, once we click on boost the post and the Facebook ad team agrees with my advert, it will now appear to the Facebook as from GeoScreen sponsored. So you boost the post, right? Once you are satisfied with what you have set on your settings here, on the audience, right? The bill, right? So you see that now we'll let you know if the advert meets the advertising policies within a given period of 24 hours. So this is how it is now. It's under review. Goal, getting more website visitors, right? Budget as it is, and then the payment method, we have the card, right? That's how you do it. If maybe you are not interested on running the ad, there's still a way on how you can delete the ad before it gets approved. So you go to your ad sender, and on your ad sender you go on all ads, right? So we have it here. It's under review, right? So what you do, we click on view the results, right? And then on your right top here, you click on those three dots and then you delete your ad. So you confirm deleting your ad. Once it is deleted, it will no longer be under review. Yes, so my ad has been deleted. Yes, so what I need to do is just to cancel, and then I leave the website. So you see it's still showing, but this is just because I've not refreshed my page. So you refresh your page and you'll find that the ad has been deleted already, right? It's deleted. The rest here are the ads which have already been completed in my Facebook page, right? So that's how you create an advert, or else you run a campaign on your Facebook, right? Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, leave a comment, a like, and also share to your friends. Thank you.